Press and hold the start-stop button or turn the key to get the vehicle ignition to the run position. Unclip the factory OBD2 plug from the bracket by pushing in the tabs on either side of the connector and pulling it towards the firewall. Clip the white connector of the data link harness into the factory OBD2 connector location. Ensure that the clips on the connector snap into place. Plug the red connector of the data link harness into the loose factory OBD2 black plug. Locate the green star bus bank under the dash on the upper driver's side. Plug the 2-wire connector from the adapter harness into an empty slot in the rearmost star bus bank closest to the dash of the vehicle. Route the main plow wiring harness through the firewall into the cab in a suitable location. Ensure the vehicle is still in the run position. Plug the 6-pin connector from the adapter harness into the headlight control module. Green LEDs should illuminate, indicating that the headlight control module has discovered the vehicle. Plug the high beam indicator harness into the headlight control module. Turn the headlight selector switch to park lights to activate the headlight control module. Move the turn signal stalk to the high beam position to test the functionality of the high beam indicator lamp. Route the high beam indicator lamp to the dash and secure it in place using the adhesive backer. Plug the 12-pin connector from the plow harness into the headlight control module. Secure the headlight control module underneath the dash.